Good morning, students. So in previous class we are discussing about part B important questions, that is 2 mark. Now in part B there are totally 14 questions. Out of 14 questions you have to attempt 10 questions. Now here question number 11 to question number 24. So in previous class we will discuss up to question number 23. Now today the last question in part B, that is question number 24. In part B, question number 24 belongs to under which topic? Remember, that topic is probability. Remember. Okay. So last question in part B, that is question number 24, belongs to under probability. No, that is question carries 2 mark. Okay. ಈ ಒಂದು probabilityಯಲ್ಲಿ 2 mark questions ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ annual examದಲ್ಲಿ. Now let us discuss one by one. There are several questions that is in 2 mark questions. Okay, now here 24th question in probability, the question like this. Now here the question is, let E and F be 2 events of a sample space yes, of an experiment okay, then prove that probability of E dash bar F, not E, is equal to 1 minus probability of E bar F. That is the question. Now to prove that probability of E dash given that F is equal to 1 minus P of E bar F. So before solving that problem, you must know the definition of conditional probability as well as independent events. So what is conditional probability? So define conditional probability. Remember, consider 2 events. If E and F are any 2 events of a sample space, then the probability of an event E given that the probability of F, the probability of an event E given that F, that is known as conditional probability, which is denoted by P of E bar F. Out of 2 events, 1 event is given. You have to calculate another event. That is known as conditional probability. 2 event alle 1 event anna ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು event anna calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Out of 2 events, 1 event is known. Now you have to calculate another event. So the probability of an event E given that after knowing the event F, that is known as conditional probability, which is denoted by P of E bar F. Its formula is, remember, that is P of E intersection F divided by P of F. That is the formula for conditional probability. Condition, denominator part is not equal to 0. That is the definition of conditional probability. Now here 24th question says, if E and F be 2 events of a sample space S of an experiment, then prove that conditional probability of E dash given that F is equal to 1 minus P of E bar F. Now how to calculate? Look here. Now here you know that probability of S, sample space S, given that F is equal to 1. You know the concept. How it will become 1? Look here. If you take one simple example, if a dice roll, one dice and now roll ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, what are the outcomes? 6 outcomes. Now here S is equal to 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of outcome is here 6. Okay. Let F be the event, even number on the dice. What are the even number? 2, 4, 6. Okay. Then S intersection F is equal to what? S intersection F, common element. Now 2, 4, 6 is the common number, right? Then probability of S bar F is equal to, you know the definition of conditional probability, that is probability of S intersection F divided by probability of F, isn't it? That is equal to probability of S intersection F value is 2, 4, 6. That is nothing but F thane. Okay, so P of F divided by P of F, these two terms get cancelled, that is 1. So that probability of S bar F is equal to 1. Okay, now using this. Now here and also now this implies probability of S can be written as, we can write E union E dash bar F is equal to 1. Baribodala? How E union E dash is equal to S? Now that is mutually exclusive events means its intersection is empty. Exhaustive events means their union is equal to sample space. Take this example, S is the sample space. Now total outcome is 6. Then E stands for odd number on the dice. What are the odd number? 1, 3, 5. F stands for even number on the dice. Then what is E union F? E union F is equal to, E is 1, 3, 5. F is 2, 4, 6. Now combination of these two elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is nothing but yes. So E union F is equal to yes. Now instead of F, now here by taking E dash. Now here E union E dash is equal to yes. Okay. Now this implies, but you know the formula for probability of A union B. What is probability of A union B? You know the result. What is that? That is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay. Now here probability of E bar F plus probability of E dash bar F minus probability of E intersection E dash bar F. Okay. Now this implies probability of E bar F plus probability of E dash bar F minus probability of E intersection E dash. E and E dash are mutually exclusive events. Its value is 0. How? Here E is the even, that is odd number on the dice. E dash is the even number on the dice. What is E intersection E dash? E intersection E dash is, there is no common element, that is empty. Its probability become 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, rearrange, hence P of E dash bar F is equal to 1. That term goes to right side minus probability of E bar F. So this is the answer. Remember, probability of E dash given that F is equal to 1 minus P of E bar F. That is 2 mark question. Clear, students? Oh. If A and B are two events such that probability of A is equal to 1 divided by 4 and probability of A bar B is equal to 1 by 2 and probability of B bar A is equal to 2 by 3, find probability of event B. 2 mark question. How to calculate? Now here given data, probability of B bar A is equal to 2 by 3, that is given. This implies, but you know the formula, probability of B given that A is equal to ಏನಿದೆ? Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Now this implies, now here cross multiply probability of A intersection B is equal to 2 by 3 into probability of A. That is probability of A intersection B is equal to 2 by 3. Probability of A, that is given 1 by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is how much? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is the value of probability of A intersection B. Also, one more condition as given. probability of A bar B is equal to 1 by 2. That is given. Again, by definition of conditional probability, that is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B is equal to 1 by 2, right? This implies cross multiply probability of B into 1, probability of B is equal to 2 into probability of A intersection B. Therefore, probability of B is equal to 2 times, but probability of A intersection B, you know how much? 1 by 6. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, that is 1 by 3 is the answer. So, probability of B is 1 upon 3. Okay, students? Nodri, P of A kottidana, P of A bar B no kottidana, and P of B bar A is given to find probability of B. So, answer is 1 by 3. Okay? A fair die is rolled. Consider the events. E is equal to 1 3 5, F is equal to 2 3, and G is equal to, consisting of 4 numbers, 2 3 4 5. Now the question, find first one, probability of E union F given that G. Second one, find probability of E intersection F given that G. Now here each question carries 2 mark. Idಕ್ಕೆ 2 mark, idಕ್ಕೆ 2 mark. Nodri ಹೇಗೆ solve ಮಾಡೋಣ? Now here first one, to find probability of E union F given that G. Now first to find E union F. Union of 2 sets. Union means combination of both the sets. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 2 3 5. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So total number of E union F is how many elements? 4 elements. Therefore probability of E union F is equal to probability of an event, definition, number of favorable cases, right, divided by total outcome. A die is rolled. S is the sample space. One die rolled. How many outcomes? 6 outcomes. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total number of outcome is here 6, right? Now probability of E union F. Probability of E union F is equal to n of E union F. N of E union F is 4. Total outcome is 6. That is 2 divided by 3. 2 2s are, 2 3s are, right? Next, now also E union F intersection G is equal to E union F value 1 2 3 5. Intersection G set is 2 3 4 5. In between these two, what are the common elements? 2, then 3, 5. 3 numbers. So therefore total number of E union F intersection G is equal to 1 2 3. Okay. Therefore probability of E union F intersection G is equal to number of favorable cases in E union F intersection G divided by total outcome. So that is number of favorable cases 3. Total outcome is 6. That is 1 by 2. Therefore, first question, the probability of E union F given that G is equal to, put E union F is equal to say alpha. Now you know that probability of alpha bar G, what is the formula? Probability of alpha intersection G divided by probability of G. Correct? Now here, probability of alpha intersection G, probability of alpha value E union F intersection G divided by probability of G, that is equal to probability of E union F intersection G value 1 by 2 divided by probability of G. Now G contains how many elements? 4 elements. So here n of G is 4. Therefore, probability of G is equal to n of G, number of favorable case divided by total outcome, 4 divided by 6. So here 4 divided by 6, that is 1 by 2 into 6 by 4, 2 1s are 2 3s are, that is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is the value of probability of E union F given that G. Okay. Similarly, second one, to find probability of E intersection F given that G. Same type, each question carries 2 marks. Second one, find probability of E intersection F given that G. What is the formula? P of E intersection F intersection G divided by P of G. Because by taking E intersection F, call it as alpha, it is in the form probability of alpha bar G. Definition of probability of alpha bar G is alpha intersection G divided by probability of G, right? Now to find E intersection F intersection G. Now first to find E intersection F. E set 1 3 5, F set 2 3. E intersection F, is there any common? No common element. Common is in nodele illa. Yavadu common illala. So that is empty set. Sorry, there is one element is there, 3. Common element is 3. Then E intersection F intersection G. E intersection F is 3. Intersection G set 2 3 4 5. Among those two, what is common number? Only one number, that is 3. Therefore, total number of E intersection F intersection G is equal to 1. Therefore, probability of E intersection F intersection G is equal to, definition of probability of an event, n of E intersection F intersection G divided by n of S, that is 1 divided by n of S is 6. Okay. Therefore, probability of E intersection F given that G is equal to probability of E intersection F intersection G value 1 by 6 divided by probability of G value is, that is 4 by 6. That equals 1 by 6 into 6 by 4, 6 6 cancel, that is 1 by 4. So second one answer is probability of E intersection F given that G value is 1 by 4. Each question carries 2 marks. Okay. Question 24th question, that is part B, 2 mark question. Assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or girl. If a family has 2 children, what is the conditional probability that both are girls? What is the conditional probability that both are girls given that at least one is a girl, given that one value is given? What is that? At least one is a girl. Out of 2 events, one event is given. We have to calculate another event. Now here a family has 2 children. Family has 2 children. What are the outcomes? Then S is equal to, a family has 2 children. One family ge ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವೆರಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು? ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಒನ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಒನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಆರ್ ಒನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಒನ್ ಬಾಯ್. Possibilities 4, namely both are boys, right, or both are girls, GG, or one boy one girl or one girl one boy. These are the possibilities. So total number of outcome is 4. 1 2 3 4. Now take 2 events. Let E is the event. In todano both are girls, that is given. Both are girls, that is E is equal to, both are girls andre yavadu barutte? GG, only one. So total number of event is 1. Probability of event E is equal to number of favorable case divided by total outcome, that is the formula for probability of event, right? So that is number of favorable case is 1, total outcome is here 4. F stands for at least at least one is a girl. At least one is a girl. The word at least means either one girl or more than one girl. The word at least means more than. At most means less than. Remember. So at least anta kota yen madbeku, either one girl or more than one girl. Yavud barutte nodri? Both are boys. No, leave it. Here at least one girl or more than one girl, that is GG possibilities. Then at least one girl, BG, one boy one girl, or one girl one boy. Idu borodilla yakandre at least one girl, either one girl or more than one girl. So how many outcomes? 3 outcomes. Favorable, that is total outcome is 3. Therefore probability of at least one is a girl, probability of F is equal to favorable case divided by outcome. Favorable case is 3, outcome is here 4, right? Then E intersection F. Now to find common element, E intersection F. Intersection means common. E dalli enide nodri, both are girls. F dalle girl girl, boy girl, girl boy. ಹಂಗೆ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ E intersection F is equal to 1. Therefore probability of E intersection F, number of favorable case, correct, divided by total outcome. Favorable case is 1, outcome is 4. Now the question, required probability is probability of both are boys. What is the conditional probability that both are girls? Given that both are girls denoted by E, given that at least one is a girl, denoted by F. Now the formula for P of E bar F, you know what is that? P of E intersection F divided by P of F, right? Substituting the value. What is P of E intersection F? P of intersection F 1 divided by 4. P of F is 3 by 4. That 4 cancel. The answer is 1 by 3. So that conditional probability that both are girls, given that at least one is a girl, is answer 1 by 3. Okay. Similarly, mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. If E stands for son on one end, F stands for father in the middle. Now the question, find probability of E given that F. Now here mother, father, son line up at random for a family picture. 3 members idara. Yararu? Mother, father, son. So mother, father and son. Mother, father, son line up at random for a family picture. Now here sample space random ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅವರು? ಮದರ್, M stands for mother, father, F stands for father, son, S stands for son. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅವರು ಸಾಲ್ಕ್ ನಿಂದಿರ್ಬೋದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮದರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನಂತರ ಫಾದರ್, ನಂತರ ಸನ್. ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್. ಅಥವಾ ಮದರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡು, ಫಾದರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಆರ್ father first, mother second, son last. Or father first, son second, mother last. Or son first, mother second, father third line. or son first, father middle, mother last. So these are the outcomes. ಅವ್ರು 3 ಜನ ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೋದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮದರ್ ನಿಂದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಂತರ ಫಾದರ್, ನಂತರ ಸನ್, ಅಥವಾ ಮದರ್ ಫಸ್ಟು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸನ್, ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫಾದರ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್? 1 2 3 4 5 6. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಈಸ್ 6. ಓಕೆ. ಇ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್, ಇ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನೋಡಿ. ಇ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸನ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಗ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಐದರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ಐದರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ಮಿಡಲ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದಿದೆ, ಸನ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಸನ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್, ಸನ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಸನ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದು? ಮದರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಸನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಮದರ್ ಸನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಸನ್ mother father one end, then son father mother another end. So total number of event is here 4, right? F stands for father in middle. Father ibru madhyadale irbeku, ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಬ್ರು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ, ಮದರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸನ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇರಬೇಕು? ಫಾದರ್. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಿಡಲ್. ಸನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಮದರ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಫಾದರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ತಾನೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು? ಮದರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಸನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸನ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಮದರ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 2. therefore probability of event formula, number of favorable case divided by total outcome. Now favorable case is 2, outcome is here 6, that is 1 by 3, 2 ones are 2 3s are. Now E intersection F. Now to find common event, E intersection F, E dalli 4 outcomes idavu, F dalli 2 outcomes idavu. What are common? MFS, MFS common. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? ಎಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಎಂ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ 2. therefore probability of E intersection F, what is the formula? Number of favorable cases divided by total outcome. Number of favorable cases ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2. total outcome is 6, that is also 1 by 3, right? Therefore the question is required probability of E bar F is equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of, that is the formula for conditional probability. Now probability of E intersection F is 1 by 3, right? Divided by probability of F is also 1 by 3. Both the term get cancelled, that is probability of E given that F is equal to 1. So that is 2 mark question. E type questions barutte. Okay. A black and a red dice are rolled, means 2 dice are rolled. You know that 1 dice rolled, how many outcomes? 6 outcomes. Suppose 2 dice are rolled, how many outcomes? 36 outcomes. 1 die 6, another die is also 6, combination is 6 into 6, 36. Now the question, first one, find the conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9 given that black die resultant in a 5. Now given that black die resultant in a 5, among 2 dice, 1 die resultant value is 5, particularly black die. Okay, either you take first die is black or second die is black. Okay, whereas second question, find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum is equal to 8 given that the red die resultant in a number less than 4. Out of 2 dice, 1 die means red die resultant should be less than 4. It may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, but not 4 because it is less than 4. Look here, so each question carries 2 mark. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡೈಸ್? 2 ಡೈಸ್. Now 2 dice are rolled. 2 dice are rolled. Outcomes, how many outcomes? 36 outcomes. What are those? That is S is equal to 1 1 dice ಅನ್ನು ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಏನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು 1 1 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or 1 2 or 1 3 or 1 4 then 1 5 1 6. Similarly, suppose 2 1 first die 2 ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೋದು, second die 1 ಬೀಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay, possibilities 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. Similarly 3 1 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 3 2 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, or 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6. Similarly 5 1 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, 5 2 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 5 3. These are possible outcomes. 5 4 5 5 5 6. Finally 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎರಡು ಡೈಸ್, ಒಂದು ಡೈಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಗಡಿ, ಡೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಗಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೇಸಿಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ? 6 ಫೇಸಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 6. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎರಡು ಡೈಸ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಡೈಸ್ 1 1 ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, 6 1 6 2 6 3 and so on 6 6. So total number of outcomes is n of S is equal to one die 6, another die 6, that is 36 outcomes. Among those outcomes, there are two events, namely E and F. Let E is the event. E stands for ಏನಿದೆ? Probability of obtaining sum greater than 9 given that black die resultant in a 5. Now E stands for black die. It is given resultant in a 5. So there are two dice. First die treated as red, second die treated as black. Or if you take first die is black, second die is red. Now first die black ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. So first die black ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ resultant in a 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. Why? Because first die treated as black. Now here first die is equal to black and third. That first die is black, that black die resultant in a 5. And what are the outcomes? 1 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. Whereas F stands for F stands for conditional probability of obtaining sum is greater than 9. Sum greater than 9. That is F is equal to sum greater than 9. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 9ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ತೋಡ್ರಿ, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ 1 1 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 + 1 2. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ 2 is more than 9? No. 1 + 2 3 is more than 9? No. 1 3 is it more than 9? No. Here no. 1 6 1 + 6 7 7 is more than 9? No. ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 1 2 + 1 3. Is it more than 9? No. 2 2 more than 9? No. 2 3 2 + 3 5 5 is more than 9? No. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 3 1 3 + 1 4 4 is more than 9? No. 3 3 3 + 3 6 more than 9? No. 3 + 5 8 8 is more than 9? No. 3 + 6 9 9 is more than 9? No. Take next line. 4 1 does not exist. 4 2 does not exist. 4 3 does not exist. 4 4 does not exist. 4 5 4 + 5 9. Is it 9 more than 9? No. 4 6 yes, because 4 + 6 10 10 is more than 9. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 5 1 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 5 2 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 5 4 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 5 5 yes, because 5 + 5 10 10 is more than 9. Then 5 + 6 11 11 is more than 9. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 6 3 6 4 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? yes, because 6 + 4 10 10 is more than 9. 6 + 5 11 11 more than 9. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6 6 more than 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total number of event is 6. Okay. Therefore, probability of F is equal to definition of probability of event n of F divided by n of S. n of f is 6, total outcome is 36, that is 1 by 6, right? Then E intersection f is equal to E set ide, f set ide. Among those, what are common numbers? Common number ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 5 5 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, 5 6 ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, only 2 ತಾನೆ. So common number 5 5 5 6 intersection. So n of E intersection f is equal to 2, total outcome. Therefore probability of E intersection f is equal to n of E intersection f divided by n of f. N of E intersection f 2, total n of f is 6, that is 1 by 3. Correct? N of E intersection f divided by n of s, not f. N of s is 36, that is 2 1s are 2 18s are. Therefore the required probability, what is the conditional probability of obtaining sum greater than 9? Sum greater than 9 denoted by what? ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? f. Given that black die resultant in a 5, black die resultant in a 5, E, n of E f intersection E is equal to, what is the formula? P of E intersection f divided by P of E. P of E intersection f is 1 by 18 divided by P of E. P of E, how many outcomes? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 outcomes. So probability of E is equal to number of favorable case 6, outcome is 36, 1 by 6, 1 divided by 6, that is 1 by 18 into 6 by 1, 6 1s are 6 3s are, that is 1 by 3 is the answer. So probability of obtaining sum greater than 9 given that black die resultant in a 5 is 1 by 3. Okay, whereas second one ಏನಿದೆ, same type. Find the conditional probability that obtaining sum is 8. Let E stands for sum is equal to 8, that is E is equal to, ಎರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ 8 ಬರಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ 8 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. 2 + 4 6, 6 is equal to 8, no. 2 + 5 7, 7 is equal to 8, no. 2 + 6, yes 8. ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ 2 6. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ? 3 5 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 3 + 5 8, 3 + 6 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ 8. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4 4, ಹೌದಾ? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 5 3, and here 6 2. Its sum is exactly 8. 1 2 3 4 5, 5 outcomes. F stands for ಏನಿದೆ? Sum is 8 given that red die resultant is resultant in a number less than 4, that is F is equal to, among two dice one die is red, another die is black. ಒಂದು ಡೈ ರೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೈ ರೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಅಥವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈ ಯಾವುದರ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೈ ರೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೈ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೈ ಈಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 4, 4ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 1, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೈ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ರೆಡ್, 1 is less than 4, 2 is less than 4, then 3 is less than 4, 4 is less than 4, no. 1 1 1 2 1 3, 1 4 ಬರೋಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 4 is equal to 4 ಆಯಿತು. 1 5 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 1 6, no. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 1, because second die is red, that 1 is less than 4. Again here second die is red, 2 2, 2 is less than 4, 2 2, then 2 is less than 3, 2 4 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 2 5, no. 2 6, no, because 6 is it less than 4, no. Next 3 1, yes, second die is red ಅಲ್ಲ. 3 2, yes. 3 3, yes. 3 4, no, because second die treated as red value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4. is it 4 less than 4? no. 5 less than 4? no. 6 less than 4? no. Next 4 1, second die is red die ಏನಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. 1 is less than 4, so that is 4 1. then 4 2, yes. 4 3, 4 4 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? no. 4 5 does not exist. 4 6 does not exist. Second die is treated as red, 1 ಇದೆ second die, clearly 1 less than 4, 2 less than 4, 3 less than 4, 3 values, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3. Then 6 1, second eye is red, second eye red, ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ, clearly 1 less than 4, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? No. 6 5 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 6 6 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, because 6 is it 6 less than 4? No. So total outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So total number of outcome is 18. Correct? Therefore, now to find common elements E intersection F, among those what are common numbers? ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2 6 ಇದೆನಾ ಕಾಮನ್? ಇಲ್ಲ. 3 5 ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 4 4 ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 5 3 ಇದೆನಾ? yes. 5 3 common element. Then 6 2 ಇದೆನಾ? yes. So total number of event, now E intersection F is 2. Therefore probability of E intersection F is equal to formula number of favorable case denoted by n of E intersection F divided by n of S. N of E intersection F is 2. N of S total outcome is 36. That is 2 1s are 2 18s are. Okay. Therefore required probability. Therefore required probability P of conditional probability obtaining sum greater than sum is equal to 8. Sum is equal to 8 denoted by E. Given that, known that red die resultant in a number less than 4, P of E bar F. What is the formula? P of E intersection F divided by P of F. Substituting the values. What is P of E intersection F? 1 divided by 18. P of F is P of F value. How much? P of stands for N of F. P of F is 18 divided by 36. Now here P of F is equal to favorable case 18 divided by 36. 18 ones are 18 twos are 1 by 2. Correct? So 1 by 18 into 2 by 1, that is 2 ones are 2 nines are how much? 1 by 9. So each question carries 2 mark. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲೇ 24 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay students, problem. A coin is tossed 3 times where first one E stands for head on third toss, F stands for heads on first 2 tosses. Find probability of E given that F. This is one question. Another question, E stands for at most 2 tails, F stands for at least 1 tail. Again find probability of E bar F. So each question carries 2 mark. Okay, look here. Now here a coin tossed 3 times or 3 coins are tossed. Both are same. 3 coins are tossed. What are the outcomes? Coin tossed 3 times. That is nothing but 3 coins are tossed. So how many outcomes? Then sample space S is equal to how many outcomes? 8 outcomes. What are those? All are head, 3 head ಬಿದ್ದಿರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ all are tail, 3 ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಲ್ ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಹೆಡ್ ಒಂದು ಟೇಲ್ ಒಂದು ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ 2 ಹೆಡ್ ಬಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಟೇಲ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ 1 ಹೆಡ್ 2 ಟೇಲ್, ಆರ್ 1 tail 1 head 1 tail, or both are tail 1 head. Okay, or 1 tail 2 heads. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, totally 8 outcomes. So total number of outcome is here 8. Now E stands for first question, E stands for head on third toss. ಮೂರನೇ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಲಿ ಇರದೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಹೆಡ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಹೆಡ್. ಸೊ 1 2 3 4 H H H, then H T H, then T T H, then T H H. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Total favorable case, that is total outcome 4. Therefore N of E is equal to 4. F stands for, F ಏನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನ? ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಟಾಸಸ್. ಮೊದಲಿನ 2 ಕಾಯಿನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, 3 ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಾಯಿನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು, ಹೆಡ್ಡೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. 2 ಕಾಯಿನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಾಯಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್, 3ನೇ ಕಾಯಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇರದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಹೆಡ್, ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಹೆಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2. ಸೊ ಎಚ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಚ್, ದೆನ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಚ್ ಟಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಾಯಿನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಾಯಿನ್, ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಪ್ರೊಬೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು favorable case divided by total outcome. Favorable case is 2, outcome is here yesterday 8, that is 1/4, correct? Now E intersection F among those two common ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, H H H common ಇದೆ, H H T ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ತಾನೆ, H H H. ಸೊ N of E intersection F total outcome is 1. Therefore probability of E intersection F is equal to N of E intersection F divided by total outcome N of S. So N of E intersection F is 1, N of S is 8. Therefore the question required probability, find probability of E given that F, you know the formula, what is that? P of E intersection F divided by P of F, right? Substituting the value. What is P of E intersection F? 1/8. P of F yesterday 1/4. That is simplify 1/8 into 4/1. 4 1s are 4 2s are. That is 1/2. First question answer. Probability of E given that F value 1/2. Whereas second one. Second one. E stands for. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನೋಡಿ, E stands for at most 2 tails. The word at most 2 tails, ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು, either 2 tails or less than 2 tail, not more than. At most ಅಂದಾಗ less than, at least ಅಂದಾಗ more than. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, at most 2 tail means either 2 tails or less than 2 tails. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 tails or less than 2 tail ಅಂದರೆ 2 tail ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ 1 tail or no tail. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಟೇಲ್ ಇರೋದು ಇತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಎಚ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಚ್, ನೋ ಟೇಲ್. ಅಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 2 tail means either 2 tail or less than 2 tail. Less than 2 tail means 1 tail, no tail. Then this is either 2 tail or less than 2 tail. ಇದು 3 tail ಇದೆ, ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Here H T H, H H T less than 2 tail ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಇದು exact 2 tail H T T. ಇದು T H T either 2 tail ಇದೆ, either 2 tail T T H, then less than 2 tail T H H. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So N of E total outcome is here 7. F stands for, F ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನ, at least 1 tail. The word at least 1 tail means either 1 tail or more than 1 tail. 1 tail ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, T T T more than 1 tail, ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ. H T H more than 1 tail, H H T more than 1 tail, either 1 tail or more than 1 tail. H T T either 1 tail or more than 1 tail. T H T 1 tail or more than 1 tail. T T H yes, then T H H either 1 tail or more than 1 tail. How many outcomes? 2 3 4 5 6 7. So N of F is equal to 7. Therefore probability of F, definition of probability, N of F divided by total outcome N of S. N of F is 7, total outcome is 8. Now among those two, what is common elements? Now E intersection F. E intersection F ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾಮನ್. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, H T H ಇದೆನಾ, ಎಸ್. H H T ಇದೆನಾ, ಓಕೆ. H T T ಕಾಮನ್, T H T ಕಾಮನ್, T T H ಕಾಮನ್, T H H ಕಾಮನ್. ಯಾವ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದಂದ್ರೆ H T H, H H T, then H T T, then T H T, T T H, T H H ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 6. ಸೊ N of E intersection F is equal to 6. Therefore probability of E intersection F, definition of probability, number of favorable case divided by total number of outcomes in sample space. N of E intersection of 6, total outcome 8, 6 by 8. Therefore, required probability P of E bar F is equal to, what is the formula? Conditional probability of E, given that F is equal to P of E intersection F divided by P of F. This formula correct and ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಹೌದಾ? So P of E intersection F ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 6 by 8. P of F is 7 by 8. I think 8 cancel, that is 6 divided by 7. That's it. This is second question answer. Okay students, correct agi definition of conditional probability ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Okay? Two cards are drawn at random and without replacement from a pack of 52 playing cards. Now the question, find the probability that both the cards are black cards using independent events. Definition of independent events: if A and B, the events A and B are said to be independent events if the condition probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. If this condition is satisfied, then it is said to be independent event. Whereas if P of A intersection B is not equal to P of A into P of B, then such events are called dependent events, or which is not independent events. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ question now, totally 52 playing cards. Now before solving that, you must know the concept of playing cards. Playing cards ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. So there are 52 playing cards. So 52 playing cards divided by 4, it will get 13. There are totally 13 each cards. 13, 13, 13, 13. Add all, that is 52. That is 13 cards one set, that is known as one suit. This is one suit. This is one suit. Already valid in first PU. First PU you study madidira idu. Okay. So one suit contains 13 cards. How many suits? 4 suits. There are two colors, namely red color and black color. How many red color cards? 26 red color cards. Another two suits are black color cards. 26 black color cards, 26 red color cards. Okay. ನೋಡಿ 26 ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, 26 ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 52 ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್? 52 ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಈಸ್ 52. Right? Now A stands for, A ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? First drawn card is a black. ಎರಡು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ. First drawn card is a black. ಹೌದಾ? A stands for first drawn card is a black. B stands for second drawn card is also black card. ಎರಡು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾತಲ್ಲ. So how many black cards? Therefore probability of A. Now here n of A is equal to total black cards is 26. 26, that is n of A divided by n of S, that is 26 divided by 52, that is 26 ones are 26 twos are 1 by 2. So probability of B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? Second drawn card is also black. ಈಗ one card ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, 26 playing cards. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಏನಿದೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದು? ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 26 ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್, one card already picked. How many black cards? 25. So now here probability of B is equal to after drawing one black card, one black card drawing ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿವೆ? 25 black card divided by remaining remaining total 51 cards. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 52 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅದು? ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ 26 ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದು? 25. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ 52 ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದು? 51. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 25 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 51. ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ 26 by 52, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ and A intersection B. Therefore, the question is required probability. Find the probability that both the cards are black. Required probability, both the cards, both denoted by intersection P of A intersection B by using independent event P of A into P of B, right? You know the definition of independent event. Two events A and B are said to be independent if the condition P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. What is P of A? 1 by 2. P of A is 1 by 2. P of B is 25 divided by 51. 25 ones are 25. 51 twos are 102. So required answer is, required probability is 25 divided by 102. Okay, that is most important. 2 mark ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನು. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ 26 by 52 ತೊಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 26 ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 25. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 52. ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನೀವು ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದು? ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 51 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ probability of B is 25 divided by 51. Okay, given that two numbers appearing on throwing 2 die are different, find the probability of the event the sum of the number on the dice is 4. Now here 2 dice are rolled. 2 dice roll ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಉಳಿಸಿದಾಗ what are the outcomes? 36 outcomes. What are those? As you know, already solve ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ನೀವು. So 2 dice are rolled. So sample space S is equal to 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Then 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. Similarly 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6. Then 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6. Then 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. Then 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. These are the outcomes. 2 dice rolled. Now total outcome is here 6 into 6, 36 outcomes. Totally 36 outcomes. There are 2 events. Now here let E stands for, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ? Throwing 2 dice are different. Find the probability of the event sum of the number on the dice. Sum of the number on the dice is how much? Exactly 4. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Among those ordered pairs, take the ordered pairs such that its sum is 4. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ 4 ಬರಬೇಕು. 1 plus 1 2. No. 1 plus 2 3. No. 1 plus 3 4. Its sum is 4. First ordered pair 1 3. 1 4. No. 1 5. No. Here second line 2 2 because 2 plus 2 4. Third line 3 1 because 3 plus 1 is 4. Then fourth line, is there any ordered pairs? Its sum become 4. No. Only 3 ordered pairs. Right. So total number of outcome is here 3. F stands for, F ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? two numbers appearing throwing two dice are different. ಡೈಸ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದಿರಬಾರ್ದು, ಸೇಮ್ ಬರೋದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 1 1 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ನೋ. 1 2 ಎಸ್, 1 3 ಎಸ್, 1 4 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, 1 5 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, 1 6 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಿಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು? ಇದು 2 2 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6. These are identities. Except those identities, remaining all are F. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ F ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? except identities, namely 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. ಯಾಕೆ ಇವು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ರಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟೂ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಪಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಥ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟೂ ಡೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಇವನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದ್ವೆಲ್ಲವೇನು ರೀ? ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಇವನು 6 ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 36 ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 30. ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ 6 ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಡೋನು, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ವು ಎಷ್ಟು? 30. Then to find E intersection F, N of F is there. Therefore, probability of F is equal to N of F divided by N of S. N of F is 30. N of S is total outcome 36. 6 5s are 6 6s are. Here probability of E is equal to favorable case divided by total outcome. Favorable case is 3. Outcome is 36. 3 1s are 3 12s are. Okay, now find the probability that the event sum of a number on the dice is 4 given that two dice are different. Then give now E intersection F. What is E intersection F? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, E ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆದವು 1 2 3 ಮೂರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್. ಎಫ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಎಫ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 ಇವನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆದವು. This and that, among those what are common? 1 3 1 3 is there, 2 2 is there? No. 2 2 identity, that is not there. 3 1 is there? Yes, only 2. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 3 then 3 1. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? 2 2 ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, 2 2 ಇದರೊಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಫ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಎಫ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಎಫ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 3 3 1. Now total number of E intersection F is 2. Therefore probability of E intersection F, number of favorable case divided by total outcome. Favorable case is 2, outcome is 36. 2 1s are 2 18s are. Therefore required probability P of, find the probability that the sum of the number on the dice is 4 denoted by E given that different dice, different order pairs F is equal to formula for conditional probability P of E intersection F divided by P of F. Substituting the value, what is P of E intersection F? 1 by 18. P of F is P of F 5 by 6. That equals 1 by 18 into 6 by 5. 6 1s are 6 3s are 1 by 5 3s are 15. So the probability of E given that F is equal to 1 divided by 15. 2 mark. Okay students, that is also important sum. Practice it. Okay. Last problem in the part B, that is an urn contains 10 black and 5 white balls. Two balls are drawn from the urn, one after the other without replacement. What is the probability that both drawn balls are black? Notice, urn means box. A box contains 10 black balls, 5 white balls. Now here sample space S is equal to 10 black and 5 white balls. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ 15 ಬಾಲ್ ಆದವು 10 + 5 15 balls. Now here A stands for, what is the probability that both drawn balls are black? So ಎರಡು ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. A stands for first ball is black. B stands for second ball is also black. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು, ಬೋತ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್, ಎರಡು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಂ, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ 15 balls. Out of 15 balls, how many black balls? 10 black balls. 10 by 15. That is 2, okay, alright, that is 5 2s are 5 3s are. Then probability of B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫನ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಬಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ 2 balls are drawn from the box one after the other. one ball ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಂತು, ಹೋಯ್ತು, ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ 10. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 10 balls already one black ball drawn it. So how many remaining black balls? That is 9 black balls. 10 black ball ಇದಾವೆ, 1 ball 2 ball ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅದರ್. 1 ball ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, 1 ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ ತಗೊಂಬಿಟ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಉಳಿದು 9 ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ 15. ಆ 15 balls ಒಳಗೆ 1 ball ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಉಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಅದು 14 balls. 9 by 14. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ 10 by 15. 1 ball ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 1 ball ಪಿಕ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ 9. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 15. 15ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ball ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ರಿಂದ 14. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಬೋತ್ intersection is equal to P of A intersection B is equal to, by definition of independent event, P of A into P of B. What is P of A? 2 by 3. P of B 9 by 14. 3 1s are 3 3s are 2 1s are 2 7s are, that is 3 by 7 is the answer. That is also important sum. So totally 10 questions. Now I solved 10 questions in part B. Question number 24 belongs to under probability. ಈ probabilityಲೇ 2 mark questions ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ 2 mark questions. Okay students, now here part B is over. Next we will discuss part C and part D. Now first we will discuss part D, that is selected question, most important familiar question. So we will discuss part D, that is 5 mark questions. We will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.